as I was reading the manual, I was quite surprised to see that they even talk about that. And the calibration of the scales has been performed at the factory. However, the weighing range can shift slightly during the shipping or due to changes in local acceleration of gravity around the world. If the scale begins to show inaccuracies, please perform calibration with a SmartWeigh 500 gram calibration weight not included. But that's what I've got, and I have calibrated it now. And I'm at 32 south latitude, which is Perth, and it's calibrated for 500 grams. You'll see how precise that is. It's to 1/100th of a gram. So I'm now in Canberra, Australia, which is a latitude of 35 degrees 18 minutes south. So it's more than 3 degrees further south than Perth was, and that's just looking out over Canberra Airport. Now if we put my weight on the scales, which were calibrated in Perth to exactly 500 grams, 500.00 grams, it should show a heavier weight here in Canberra because we're at a further south latitude, so we're getting less centrifugal force from the rotation of the Earth. So let's see if we can actually measure that. There you go, it's 0.16 of a gram heavier at a further south latitude. So the last sample I want to do is here in Broome, Australia, which is 17 degrees 56 minutes south latitude. That's my current location. Now, in theory, as we are closer to the equator, this standard weight on this set of scales, which I've not changed the calibration since the first time done in Perth, this weight should now appear less than 500 grams. So let's try it. Look at that, 499.44. So it's more than half a gram lighter. Now, I know what you're all thinking. He's changed the calibration, he's rigged it somehow. Of course, that's possible. But why would I do that? Because any of you can repeat this experiment quite easily for yourself. And in fact, I encourage you to be skeptical, because I'm skeptical of experiments I see on YouTube, and I don't really trust anything until I do the tests myself. So I'm not going to deceive myself by doing this test incorrectly. I'm actually quite fascinated, to be honest, and I have the opportunity to travel a lot, and I look forward to